it. Don't divorce me, spaghetti. Marry me, spaghetti. Don't leave me, spaghetti. Just let me see you one more time, spaghetti. Either way, we making that mug expeditiously. Yes, sir. Don't mind if I diddly do. It's just gonna be my little snack while the food cooking. Oh, shucks. When they start doing these meals for one, these mugs look gourmet. I want the strawberry vanilla. I think I got some at home, though. It won't hurt nobody. Wow, y'all really took all the watermelon. This is a big old thing right here. It's about to be $100. There go my little head. I love you, mama. All right, I done washed my pasta off. Got that going, and my meat already done. Now, you can make your own Alfredo sauce. I prefer to use my family's old recipe. I put some diced tomatoes in here with the meat and peppers and onion. This is another recipe that's been passed down. What the heck? I'm also add some cheese just because there's nobody here to stop me. Well, it's all good in the neighborhood. I shouldn't eat as much cheese, but I do deserve it. Snack time. Oh, Mom. I think this will do me. I'm salivating. Got to stop it up with the bread. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna take your plate.